Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to quickly guiding you how to enable the antivirus on your Windows 11 or 10. So steps will be same for Windows 10 and 11 operating system. You just need to open your registry editor as administrator, and once you run it as administrator, this is the path. I have already disabled it to show you. You just need to double click on HKey local machine, then you need to click on software, then you need to click on policies, double click on that, then click on Microsoft, double click on that, then look for Windows Defender, expand that, and if any real-time protection is showing up under this, so go to that option and simply delete the any registry you have on your Windows. In my case, the registry is already, I have set it Windows Defender under that option. What I can do is right click and simply delete it. Hit yes, and if there is any the similar key under the real-time protection, so you need to delete those key as well. And once you deleted those key, just restart your Windows from here, and once you restart your Windows, it will be done.